Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to this series of understanding the basics of HTML. So, in this tutorial, I just want to go through something that was chopped off in our last video, which is bookmarks. So, as you can see, I've already created this file that I think I covered in that video. So, I just want to go ahead and try to sort of explain what I was trying to achieve using bookmarking there. So let me just call this page navigate.html, and then the other thing I want to do is just make this a little bit bigger for everyone to see. I hope everyone can see, and then just create the standard HTML5 page. So So this is our navigation page, but nothing really happens in here. The only thing that I want to create in this section is the URL list. And then here, what we need to have is um, a section that says perhaps navigate to, let me just add an A tag there, which will say navigate to section 1. So what I'm trying to do essentially is when you click a link, it navigates to this particular section of the page. So it will come here, scroll the page, and come all the way to this section that you just specified. So going back again here on navigate, you see inside there we have 4 sections, which we're just going to copy this and say the first one is section 1, section 2, and then section 3 up until section 4. 3, this one, and then section 4. So bookmarking is when you have a documentation, when you're writing a blog, and when you have certain links that when a user clicks, you want them to navigate and go through a certain section within your page. So in here, I will include as an href the navigate page. Let's just say navigate.html, and you put in a hash there and say section 1. So this will speak to the ID of section 1, which is in here. And as you can see, there's section 2, and then there's section 3 also at section 4. So if we go here, the same thing will apply. And let me just copy this because I'm lazy. Section 1, section 2, section 3. And then this would be section 2, and then this would be section 3, and this lastly would be section 4. So if I go ahead and save this, if we can go and perhaps take a look at bookmarks and see how it's designed. Bookmarks.html, can see section 1 is blue in color, section 2 red, black, and white, all 4 of them. So if we can go to our navigate page and see, we have all these 4 links that are navigating to a certain section within your bookmarks page. So this shouldn't be navigate, this should be bookmarks. Bookmarks.html. This is what we intending to go to. So all of these should be bookmarks, and then navigate to section 1, section 2, section 3. And then if this is implemented correctly, if we try to say, and then we go to section 1. So if we go back and then section 2, you see section 2 is there at the top. And then if you go section 3, the same logic applies. Section 4 will not go because there's nothing below section 4. But essentially, that's how bookmarking works. And then you see a lot of these when you're reading a documentation or you're reading the news. There is a term in which it's foreign to you, and then they put a link on it. When you click on it, it goes to its self-explanation and things like that. So that is how bookmarks are useful. But then this is just to cover up for the video that was chopped. I do hope this explains what bookmarks is, and then it's helpful to you guys, and you get to understand and know how to use bookmarks. Thanks again, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you haven't, and I will see you next on the next video. Bye for now.